beach, and there's a hailstorm, ice storm. Look at the balls hitting the water. I think you can see from here. Oh, my word. Be quiet unless you can hear it. You hear it hitting? Wow. All that is ice. All that we see on the camera is ice. Big old, what would you say, like the size of a quarter? Oh, that one was bigger. Oh my goodness, I could not, oh, it could not, oh, ow! Oh, what? Here's some right here that just broke. Here's a piece right here. Look at this. Look at the ocean. Look at the ocean. Oh my goodness. Woo! I have never. Does Dad need in? See if Dad needs in. Wow. Good thing we made it back up from the beach and here's some of the ice on our balcony. We're videoing it, Dad. Look at this. We're backing up because it's going to come. God, look at the ocean. Oh! Look at the ocean. Wow. There's a couple like the size of a ball saw. Look at that one. Here, I'm videoing. Good. In the shower. Oh my goodness. Wow.